Good morning! Today we are on a holiday home tour, except this is our second house we've been to and there's no holiday decorations in it. So what it is, it's like different homes that are for sale, but they're supposed to be decorated for the holidays. So hopefully we'll see some more coming up. What happened?
Nothing.
Haley fell in the...
God, it's so bad.
Haley fell in the hole over there and then she got dog poo on her feet. Ew, it stinks.
Is it gone?
It stinks.
No dirt all over.
She found the hose on the side of that house. I hope the next house we go to actually has holiday decorations. Because so far this house tour has been kind of lame. It looks decorated. So nice. This home could be yours for only $500,000.
No, it's $975.
No, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, this home could be yours for almost $1 million. There's someone walking over there. Go on the dock, Haley. I know. This is the Intercoastal Waterway. And it connects all the way up north from Miami. Artsy. So in the winter, the manatees actually come in this water and you can see them. And sometimes there's also dolphins in here. But not today. Do you see any today, Haley?
See what?
Any dolphins or manatees?
No, I wish.
I wish. It's gotta be like 80 degrees now if they have the heater turned up so high. You know, we don't know how to experience winter in Florida, apparently. Wow. This kitchen is everything. I know. Look at all the cookbooks down here. This is the prettiest house so far. It is decked to the nines. Decked. Get it? Deck the halls, you know? You know? Who needs elf on a shelf when you can have elf on a rail? What was your favorite
Why
house?
are you holding my hand? This one.
What?
This one.
What do you mean?
That was my favorite house.
Oh, why did you say my hand?
You were holding my hand.
It's our favorite house of the day, for sure. And today we are getting ready for our cookie party. But I'm wearing this apron that my dad got me when he visited Germany. And yeah, so our guests should be here in about an hour or so. These are Lebkuchen, which are the cookies that I made. Chocolate cherry thumbprints, which my mom made, and then graham cracker surprises, which Haley made. And here we have hot chocolate and caramel apple cider, which we're gonna put some red wine in. And then, look at it, I am so proud of this. Look at this cheese board. Got raspberries, blackberries, grapes, cheddar and mozzarella, I think, a brie, goat cheese, and these assorted crackers.
Oh, that's
Number one.
Yeah. Boy likes these ones as well.
it's
So far.
She stole it. So now you get to either pick one or you can steal.
You could grab somebody else's that they have, or you could pick a new one.
No, we wait till you go here and get the blanket and make people cry.
No, but I mean, now she can either pick a gift or steal from someone else.
Right.
You can steal from someone else.
That's the peppermint one, right?
I don't know. I gotta close my eyes. It's like I don't know what it is. It's like flour or some kind of.
Really, wrap.
This is like the game we're gonna play after.
It's pretty.
Very elegant.
First and second word. Santa Claus. No. Merry Christmas. Fifth word.
That's a chin.
No. Fireplace. Santa flying down the chimney. Go.
Santa, go.
Go and goes. Go.
Okay, help her out.
Went.
Santa goes.
Guardian, you're
Hockey. Goalie. Hockey. It's 2 words. Hockey. Is it hockey something? Hockey game. Touchdown. Your sleigh.
I'm glad I watched
For instance. Hey.
Ready?
Set. Go. I have to be able to see them. I can't. It's too high. I took up the hat. There.
Look at Goose.
This got really excited. Go.
Oh no.
Oh my God! Let's go! Keep going. Please take the whole table. Hurry! What about? Oh! Mary, you better get some doubles. Doubles. Okay. Put the gold on. Wait. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh gosh. The hat. Okay. Oh, this is difficult. I can't get a grip. I can't grip it. 1 hair at a time. I'm trying to get the hairs. Doubles. Dang it.
Did you have fun at the party?
It was so fun. Oh, that.
Did you have fun? What?
I did. I had the best time.
What candle did you get?
I got metal. You're gonna have to say that. It's like the word game all over again.
Mahogany?
It was Tourmaline. You know my mouth hurts, okay? It smells like cologne.
Yeah, it smells like a man.
Super good. Highly recommend it. Haley's cookies are the best.
We have so many cookies left over, but we're gonna go to the fire department tomorrow to donate them. The party is over. We are packaging up all the cookies to give to the fire department tomorrow, and then we're gonna clean up and go to bed. So I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season so far, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.